In this tutorial, we will talk about manual operation and the M+ enhanced manual operation modes. These modes are more suitable for complex or small fields since they allow for more flexible operations. For manual operations, field planning prior to starting work isn't required. You can start flying after loading the drone with pesticide. Since the operation can be very flexible, it will require accurate control of the height, speed, and row spacing, so drone pilot must be well trained. Short press and then long press to turn on the remote control. Insert the battery and turn on the drone. Attach the tank and fill it with the pesticide. Press and hold the spray button for 2 seconds to discharge air. Tap Execute Task and confirm that there are at least 8 satellites available. Take off, start spraying, and fly forward. Stop spraying after reaching the target area. Move laterally and start spraying again after reaching the next target area. Now, we'll discuss the M+ enhanced manual operation mode, which is a semi-autonomous operation mode. Unlock the drone, take off, and fly to the operation field. Tap the M icon in the upper right of the remote control and select M+, set the parameters based on operation requirements, and then tap Confirm. When you move the stick to have the drone fly forward, the drone will fly at the set speed, regardless of the stick movement. When the drone accelerates or decelerates at the edge of the field, the spraying system will automatically adjust the flow to ensure uniform spraying. When you reach the field, tap the screen to move left or right. You can also set shortcut keys in the settings of the remote control app. For example, you can set C1 for M+ shift left and C2 for M+ shift right. Operation via C1 and C2 for shifting.